Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Paul Reed. I'm a professional photographer. I'm out and about and I thought I would just do a quick YouTube video. There's some photographs that I've been wanting to show you. I did some photography of that project that I do, the Time Traveller, and I went down to London, shot some pictures of the Time Traveller project and also did some street photography. So I wanted to show you those, which is the main reason for this video. I was looking around because this bench is actually, I think it's used to deal drugs usually. So I've got my Leica M6, which is my carry everyday camera at the moment. Still use the Q2 Monochrom, which all the photographs of the Time Traveller and the street photography that I'm going to show you, that's taken with the Q2 Monochrom. I've been kind of going on a lot about Leica cameras and how amazing they are, mainly kind of these smaller cameras such as the Q2 Monochrom, the Q3, and then also more recently me using the M6. Now these cameras are really just more my carry everyday cameras, the things that are kind of generally for everything and cameras which I absolutely love to use. But actually I do use other cameras for other things. So I've got some different projects coming up that I'm shooting next week where I'm trying to go for, I hate saying this word, a cinematic kind of look, which, you know, the Time Traveller stuff has always been a kind of a cinematic type thing, if cinematic means something that you might kind of almost see in a movie, although a black and white movie. So I've got cameras which maybe certain lenses go on, and I'm going to be using some anamorphic lenses to shoot some stuff next week, and I can't wait to show you those. The other thing as well is that I'm going to be doing some prints at RJ Print Lab again. Just one this next time that I'm going, and then another one a couple of weeks later, but I can't wait to show you those videos because they're going to be, you know, just beautiful prints that I'm going to be printing and stuff that I just can't wait to do. So I can't wait to show you those. Just as a usual thing, if you want to be a member of this channel, then I'd really appreciate it because that contribution keeps the channel going. You just go to the About section and go to, I think it's support the channel, so you can go to that. The other thing that keeps me going is the workshops that I do. So I do online workshops all the time. Every single week I'm doing online workshops, and that's if you need a bit of help with your photography. I'm happy to, you know, show you exactly how I turned everything round in my photography journey. But for now, here's the photographs. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe and all of that jazz.